ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee, walla walla, ting tang, walla walla bang bang.
Ako'y gagawa lang naman ng parallel tubular gamit ang TikTok. Yes, unang labas ko in parallel tubular na gamit ang TikTok. Nabulol-bulol ako, pasensya na dahil first time ko nga itong gagawin. May mga features sa TikTok na magagamit mo sa iyong parallel tubular. Mapapanood mo ang iyong parallel tubular na hindi lang naka-voiceover. Kabanata 5A.25. So, may feature dito sa TikTok na ating gamitin. At ito yon. Nakakaloka pala tong dual. Akala ko ay lalabas rin ang aking boses. Hindi pa. Kailangan ko palang mag-record. Ano ba yan? Pahirapan? Anyway, naaliw ako talaga sa North Sea at South Sea na pagtagpo. Ngunit hindi talaga sila naghahalo. Nang dahil nga sa salinity, temperature at density nito na magkaiba pareho. At makikita ito sa Alaska. Klaro talagang pinakita dahil dinalhan na ng test tube. O diba? Tignan mo. Subukan ko ring ipakita na walang TikTok dual features at voice over dahil lang. Sobra talaga akong napamangha sa likha ng may kapal. Sa simula pa lang ay may mapanood kayong tatlong maliit na video. Ang napanood, ang Red Sea, Dead Sea, ang wala video na Black Sea at ang karagdagang rainwater. Relate nyo ba ang isinasaysay ko sa inyo ngayon dahil isinasaysay ito sa amin nung ako'y bata pa base lang sa libro. Goosebump ako nito dahil merong mga scientifico talaga na magigiting na nilalapitan talaga ang lugar na ito para makita sa video. Dahil ipinamahagi nga nila ito sa TikTok ay babahagi ko rin sa aking parallel tubular. Exclusive para sa aking mga subscribers sa tubular. Ang North Sea ay ang Atlantic Ocean at ang South Sea naman ay ang Pacific Ocean. May dahilan kung bakit naging orange o brown ang Atlantic Ocean na alala ko tuloy ang Red Sea. Lalo na ang Dead Sea at ang karagdagang Black Sea na kalaman. Maalat man ang Pacific Ocean ngunit mas maalat ang Atlantic Ocean.
Two oceans meeting, but the water never seems to mix. It looks like an invisible wall is holding them apart. This happens where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Pacific Ocean at the Gulf of Alaska. The two bodies of water have different densities, temperatures, and salinity levels. Because of this, they create a visible boundary called a halocline. It's not a solid wall. It's a slow, constant blending that your eyes can't catch right away. So, they do mix, just much slower than you'd expect. What you're seeing is nature's way of showing how powerful and beautiful ocean physics.
Isn't red, so how did it get its name? The truth will amaze you. The Red Sea is a stunning and mysterious body of water located between Africa and Asia. But here's the big question. Why is it called the Red Sea when the water is clearly blue? One popular theory links the name to seasonal algae blooms of Trichodesmium erythraeum, a type of bacteria that gives the water a reddish tint when it dies. Sailors thousands of years ago might have noticed this strange phenomenon and given the sea its name. Another explanation ties the name to ancient maps and traditions. Early civilizations often associated colors with directions. Red symbolized south, so the Red Sea may have simply been named to indicate its location relative to the Mediterranean. But the Red Sea holds more mysteries than just its name. It's home to some of the world's most unusual underwater features, like hot brine pools that are so salty, they kill almost anything that ventures into them. These pools even release gases that create strange, eerie bubbles, as if the sea itself is alive. Religious texts also add to the intrigue. The Red Sea is famously said to be the site where Moses parted the waters, leading the Israelites to safety. While historians and scientists debate this event, it has made the Red Sea a symbol of both wonder and divine power. So whether its name comes from science, ancient culture, or something supernatural, the Red Sea continues to fascinate and mystify us. If you could explore the Red Sea, would you dare to dive into its mysteries? Let me know.
Why is Red Sea so important? The Red Sea, positioned at the crossroads of Africa and Asia, stands as a geopolitical linchpin of immense significance. driven by a triumvirate of strategic elements that shapes global dynamics. These three key components collectively carve out the shortest maritime route, covering 2,250 kilometers or 1,398 miles between Europe and Asia. The Red Sea's geostrategic weight is unparalleled, stemming from the synergy of these critical constituents. Stretching out to 355 kilometers or 220.6 miles at its widest point, the Red Sea isn't just a vast expanse of water. It's a global thoroughfare that enables seamless trade and connectivity. Nevertheless, its true geostrategic worth derives from three interconnected yet distinctive geographical attributes.
Thanks to everything you've got, you still wouldn't sink, because this isn't just any body of water. This is the Dead Sea, one of the most surreal places on Earth, where nature went all in on salt. Over thousands of years, it became so salty. The water turned thick, dense, and super buoyant. Here's the crazy part. Even if you tried to sink, you'd just float like a cork, like lying on whipped cream made of water. Why? Because the Dead Sea is about 34% salt. That's almost 10 times saltier than the ocean. And that insane salt level makes the water denser than your body, which means it literally pushes you up. But that same saltiness, it's what makes this place feel empty. No fish, no plants, no visible life, and that's why it's called the Dead Sea. But here's the twist. Even though nothing lives in it, it's full of value. The mineral-rich mud and salty water have turned the Dead Sea into a hotspot for wellness, beauty, and tourism. So yeah, it might be called dead, but this place, it's very much...
People don't know this about rainwater.
Flex ko lang tungkol sa Red Sea. May seasonal algae na Trichodermistrium ang tawag na namumuhay sa tubig na ito na kung namamatay ang bakterya na ito ay naging pula ang tubig.
Why does the Black Sea carry such a terrifying name? The Black Sea's name remains a subject of debate, but several theories attempt to explain its origin. One hypothesis suggests that ancient Greeks called it the Inhospitable Sea due to its challenging navigation conditions. Another theory attributes the name to the Turkish conquests along its coast, where they encountered fierce resistance from locals. Additionally, hydrologists propose that the sea's high levels of hydrogen sulfide cause metal objects to develop black deposits, potentially giving rise to its name. While the exact reason remains uncertain, the intriguing history and unique characteristics of the Black Sea continue to capture the imagination of scholars and
The Black
explorers
Sea
alike.
is a large inland water body of Atlantic Ocean. It is located between Europe and Asia and is one of the most famous inland seas in the world. Black Sea is bordered by Ukraine to the north, Russia to the northeast, Georgia to the east, Turkey to the south, and Bulgaria and Romania to the west. It connects with the Mediterranean Sea through the Bosporus Strait, the Sea of Marmara, and the Dardanelles Strait. The longest east-west extent of the sea is about 1,175 kilometers, and the shortest distance between the tip of Crimea in the north till Cape Kerempi to the south is about 160 miles. 260 kilometers. Its total shoreline is 4,340 kilometers. The Black Sea occupies an area of approximately 422,000 square km.
Magjo-joke sana ako. Kaso baka sa akin ka sumaya.
I am worthy of abundance. I open the door. Money loves me, and it comes more and more. I attract prosperity, it's my money needs me, money wants me.